Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the KIMAFUN 2.4G Wireless In-Ear Monitor System. It is an IEM system. Transmitter, Beltpack, receiver for stage performance, band, rehearsal, guitar, amplifier, bass, amp, speakers, camera record, and live broadcast. This wireless in-ear monitoring system adopts 2.4G wireless transmission, which is allowed to be used free worldwide, making pairing easier. Just plug and play. Features with the high signal stability, anti-interference, and short audio delay. No drop with 50 up to 65 feet. Powered by built-in lithium batteries and can be used for up to 6 hours. And it provides a perfect audio monitoring for our personal stage or team stage too. And this sounds great. The good old sound monitoring system. It's for stage monitoring. What is stage monitoring? It is a set of performer-facing loudspeakers called monitor speakers, or stage monitors, or floor monitors, or wedges or fallbacks on stage during live music performance, in which a sound reinforcement system is used to amplify a performance for the audience. The monitor system allows musicians to hear themselves and follow the band members clearly. The sound at popular music and rock music concert is amplified with power amplifiers through a sound reinforcement system, with the exception of the smallest venues, such as coffee houses. Most mid-large site venues use two sound systems. The main or front of the house FOH system amplifies the on-stage sounds for the main audience. The monitor system is driven by a mix separate from the front of the house system. This mix typically highlights the vocals and the acoustic instruments so they can be heard over the electronic instruments and drums. Monitor systems have a range of size and complexity. A small pub or a nightclub may have a single monitor speaker on stage, so that the lead vocalist can hear their singing, and the signal for the monitor may be produced on the same mixing console and the audio engineers as the front of the house mix. A stadium rock concert may use a large numbers of monitor wedges and a separate mixing board and engineer on a beside the stage for the monitors. In the most sophisticated and expansive monitor setups, each onstage performance can ask the sound engineer for a separate monitor mix for separate monitors. You can see it's really important to have, if you have a concert or a little gig, you need stage monitoring system. But there's a problem with this called monitoring system with speakers. That's not good, because there are problems. That means there are interferences. And again, this problem, here this, KIMAFUN said, will give you a solution. And this solution means headphones, in-ear monitors, okay? The in-ear monitors are devices used by musicians and audio engineers and audiophiles to listen to music or to hear a personal mix of vocals and stage instrumentation for live performance, or, of course, for recording studio mixing. They are also used by television presenters in order to receive vocal instructions, informations, and breaking news announcement from a producer that only the presenter hears. This is possible with that set too. They are often custom fitted for an individual's ears to provide comfortable and a high level of noise reduction from ambient surrounding. And this is the key to this set here. It is all inclusive. You have a really good in-ear system. You have everything what you need. You can switch between built-in 6 channels to prevent possible interferences from other devices. To set all transmitters and receivers on the same channel. One transmitter can be connected with many receivers. We should purchase additional receivers for the people in the team according to our needs. We use the supplied Type-C charging cable to charge these devices. Both the transmitter and the receiver have the remaining battery indication to ensure that we can estimate how long they can be used. And we have an ergonomically shaped 45-degree angle in-ear earbuds. Provide a comfortable and secure fit for better soundproofing and prolonged use. Both cables offer the form-fitting cord to go over the back of our ears, though these studio monitor headphones won't fall out easily. Enhanced bass, mids and trebles, extremely rich in energetics. Excellent noise reduction ability makes it suitable for stage performance and recording studio monitoring. The transmitter has the AA1/8 3-pole plug, which is suitable for the most electric guitar amplifiers and cameras. It comes with a mono 1/4 adapter and a stereo 1/4 inches adapter too, suitable for the most stage speakers, outdoor speakers, recording studios, etc. With the receiving cable, the wireless system can be used for synchronization between different speakers. So you can see and hear this KIMAFUN KMG153 with 2.4G wireless in-ear monitoring system can make a solution for your problems on the stage. With 6 optional channels, a 2.4G wireless transmission, we can use it for up to 6 hours, 5 up to 6 hours, wireless distance up to 65 feet, so you are independent on the stage. And it's possible to use one too many. And excellent sound quality and noise reduction. And an ergonomic design comes with the earbuds. The wireless system can be used for synchronization between different speakers too. And this product supports 1-to-1 and 1-to-more. Within the effective wireless transmission distance, we can use an unlimited number of receivers for one transmitter. The standard version of this product is equipped with one transmitter, one receiver, and an earphone set. If we want to monitor with multiple people at the same time, so we have to purchase additional receivers and earphone sets according to our needs. And if I think it's the best thing, because so you can individually build up your rig. For output devices such as speakers, power amplifiers, mixers, digital sound cards, guitar amplifiers, and so on, we can directly use this wireless system to the monitor. When we are using for monitoring on smartphones or computers, we please use it with the common live broadcast software. Some live broadcast software, of course, may not support monitoring. So we have to contact our software staff to consultation. And it's equipped with a receiver adapter cable. We can use this product to synchronize the playback content of our 2 or more speakers. And this is really cool. This is better for our performance on the stage, because it will gives us all the clear sound, what's coming out of our mouth, for example, or coming out of our guitar, and we can hear it in our ears. That's awesome to make a troubleshooting if some problem is appear. This product is suitable for speakers, power amplifier, mixers, digital sound cards, guitar amplifier, mobile phones, computers, laptops, cameras, and other equipment. For output devices such as speakers, we can directly use the wireless system to monitor. For recording the device, such as mobile phones, computer cameras, it is only used for playback monitoring after audio-video recording is completed, and live software that supports the earpack monitoring. Before we formally perform our live broadcast, we should go to be sure to bring the product to our performance venue for equipment testing. Okay, and this KIMAFUN wireless monitoring system KMG 153 adopts international 2.4 gigahertz wireless transmission. It is an attack network, and this is awesome. We will get a transmitter, a receiver, monitor earphones, a 6.35mm monophonic adapter, a 6.35mm stereo adapter, a transmitting adapter cable, a receiving adapter cable, a dual USB charging cable, a triple USB charging cable. This is cool. A triple USB charging cable, that means we can reload the receiver and the transmitter at one time. Awesome, really cool. And we can use it mobile if we like. If we have a power bank, we can reload the transmitter and receiver on the stage. That's cool. On the receiver, we have a power switch. On the transmitter too, we can turn the switch to on or off by this button. The transmitter and the receiver powered by the built-in lithium battery. The transmitter adopts a silver 3-pole 3.5mm. This is a 1/8 inches male plug. We have the channel indicator light on both. The indication light can show the current channel and pairing status. We can use it to know whether the receiver and the transmitter match successfully. And we have a channel switch button. We can use this button to switch the current used channel. And a power display. The light can display the current remaining power, and there comes cool LEDs. And a charging port on both. The charging port is transmitter and receiver use the general Type-C socket, where we can plug in the USB-C cable. Oh yeah, we have a volume plus, a volume minus. On the receiver to make it louder or less louder, the volume down, and we have on the receiver we have the 3.5mm female plug. This socket that can be used to plug in the monitor headphones. And we have a belt clip. With the belt clip we can fix it, receive on the edge of our belt or pocket too. The frequency band is 2400 up to 2483 megahertz. The working current is 130 milliampere. At transmitter, the receiver 80 milliampere. The charging port is a Type-C, 5 volts 2 ampere. The power supply is a built-in lithium battery. And the battery comes with 3.7 volt 800 milliampere. The wireless distance is 20 meters. The charging time only 2 hours. And the continuous working time is 5 up to 6 hours the transmitter and 6 up to 7 hours the receiver. The transmitter and the receiver are really cool. They looks cool. They looks a little bit like a guitar. I think so. Really cool. And okay, we switch it on. We switch the channels. We turn on the transmitter and the receiver switches and click the channel switch between the two to the same position. The pairing for 1-to-1. We turn on the transmitter, of course. We are now getting both in the right channel. That means there is only, I think it costs only 1 second. And then it is paired. That's really cool. And you can go on with either. Ne? Then put in the monitoring earphones. And of course, we used the monitoring of the speaker, power amplifier, mixer, and other equipment easily. With, for example, the 6.35mm adapter. Got it in position. And the monitor earphones will get this information into your ears. And you can hear what you are playing on the guitar, for example, what you are playing on the bass, on other keyboard as well. No problem for it. And so you can make a better performance for your ambience. That's really cool. And this is the key for a professional performer on stage. With the KIMAFUN 2.4G wireless in-ear monitoring system. It's an IEM system transmitter, a Beltpack, a receiver for stage performance, for band rehearsal, guitar amplifier, a bass AMP, a speakers, camera recorder, and live broadcast. This comes all, and it works, as you can see, with an iPad too, no problem. And of course with a smartphone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.